The Enrich Power Color treatment is about the fine art of firming and strengthening of dry colored hair. We do this by first shampooing your hair with Absolute Repair shampoo. Then, we rinse this out and towel dry your hair. Now, we apply Power Color section on your hair. Next, we apply Absolute Repair mask and then might steam it if your hair needs steam. We rinse this out thoroughly. Next, we apply a serum or styling product. A blow dry and styling adds the finishing touch to this experience. Till you walk in again for your next session, find out with our beauty consultant now whether this treatment is for you.